I am providing evidence on Standard 5 Community and External Leadership, and I am looking at component 5.1c, where it says I have fostered two-way communication with families. And so to do this, I use an app called Seesaw that my parents and students all have access to, and it has proved very successful and wonderful to use during this pandemic. So I wanted to show you just real quick. This is where they can share information with everyone else, but the inbox is where I do a lot of my private messaging. So I can give a family announcement to all families, or I can do the private messaging throughout. I won't share those, but those are just quick messages that are private that I can do with all of the parents here. So it's very similar to email. However, it's all within one app to where they can access it. If they don't have necessarily a computer, a lot of them do it through their phone messaging systems. So that is a great way for them to contact me for a communication. The students can contact their parents through this communication as well. So it kind of invites all stakeholders. I also have my principal on this app where she can message them as well. Thank you very much.